So there's this big song that hit in this. I'm going to show you how much snow there is. Cristiano Ronaldo suit. Oh, it's so cold. It's snowing right now, as you can tell. So we're unlucky today. This is just happening in Fort Drum. Let's check the view from my brother's window. And golly, that's oh my gosh. Our backyard's gonna turn into a swimming pool full of snow tomorrow. And it's supposed to be like up to my hip. Or maybe even higher. Maybe higher than me. So this is not safe. But we're gonna be okay. The only bad thing is we're stuck inside forever. We had a fun time today. We were just messing around. But I'm so scared because there's cars that are completely covered. Like right there. So let me zoom into that for you. I don't think you can really see it, but that thing right there is a car. Literally, most of the stuff I see is white. Covered in snow! So, I'm scaredy pants. Sam, I'm scaredy pants right now. I'm going to make a part 2, but this time I'm going to be shooting at you guys with Nerf bullets.